There are few things more comforting than a hot bowl of soup when the weather gets chilly. And today Howard shows us how to make his good old chicken noodle soup in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, this is the time of year when all we seem to hear is that this person has a cold or that person is under the weather. That means we need to take every precaution so we don't get it too. One thing that my grandmother swore helped keep her family healthy was her homemade chicken noodle soup. She claimed it not only made you feel better when you're under the weather, but it prevents you from getting sick in the first place. So here's what I keep on hand all winter long. It's a big pot of soup that starts off with a whole chicken and lots of carrots, celery, and onions. All that simmers in water for a little over an hour with a good amount of salt, pepper, and chicken base or chicken bouillon. When the chicken falls apart, we take it out and separate the meat from the bones, and back into the soup it goes. And as for the chicken base, that gives our broth a little more oomph. And yes, you can find it at your market. We like serving this up with some home-style noodles that you can pick up in your freezer aisle. This makes it super hearty. Dish this up, and boy, are you gonna feel good. To get the recipe for what we call our good old chicken noodle soup, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a warm and comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.